What's up, you guys? This your boy JB, aka MyMixEngineer, with another video. Today I want to show you guys how I add distortion to vocals so that they can cut through the mix better, you guys. So today I have a 2-tracking vocal, something you guys should be accustomed to. You know, just because I'm in the studio don't mean that you guys know that I started in a home studio, and I definitely appreciate all you guys, all the support you guys have been doing so that I'm able to be somewhere like this, man. So make sure, here's another thing, if this video get 200 likes, man, I'm gonna give away an IK Media bundle, the whole thing. 200 likes and I'm gonna do a giveaway. So what we have here is Gatson. He's a dope artist, he's new, up and coming. I have all his information in the description below. And the name of the song is Draft Day. So take a listen. This is with the distortion.
Gonna feel this. Dope, so I don't know if it's gonna feel. Yeah. Yeah. Look. Draft Day, I'm ready for war. AP, ain't this what the world been waiting for? That real. Give me any beat and watch I kill it. The illness, that boy spit dope. I know the fiends gon' feel this.
All right, so you can hear the vocals are very tangible. They're sitting on top. To me, right now, they sound like they're sitting on top of the kick below the snare. All right, that's why I wanted them to sit inside of this mix. Even though I didn't have the stems, I did what I could do, right? So this is without the distortion. Let's go to a good clean spot right here.
Look, draft day, I'm ready for war. AP, ain't this what the world been waiting for? That real. Give me any beat and watch I kill it. The illness, that boy spit dope.
All right, so you hear when I turned it on, the vocal, yeah, it maybe got a little louder, but the distortion gave it that crunch that I wanted to sit well inside of this 2-track. Because the 2-track already kind of got a crunchy sound to it, so I kind of make the vocal sound a little crunchy as well, especially, and then help cut through on smaller speakers. So all I have is a parallel track. I call it distortion. I'm sending, as you can see, I got it sent straight there to it. And I'm using this fader to really control how much distortion I'm adding, right? So I'm using the Devil-Loc. This was free back in the day. I don't know if I think it's probably like 50 bucks now, or not, no, probably like 100 bucks now, maybe. And I just played around with the sound. So this is what the distortion sound like if I turn it up.
Look.
We're at what's this, negative 28? I mean negative 29.3.
Look. Draft day, I'm ready for war. AP, ain't this what the world been waiting for? That real. Give me any beat and watch I kill it. The illness, that boy spit dope. I know the fiends gon' feel this.
As you can hear, like, there was too much, you know what I'm saying? You can hear it, plain and simple. But without it, you can hear that it's gone.
Look, draft day, I'm ready for war. AP, ain't this what the world been waiting for? That real. Give me any beat and watch I kill it. The illness, that boy spit dope. I know the fiends gon' feel this. They say I'm oh so.
And without it, it sound a little thin to me. With it, it sound radio. You know what I mean? So that's a quick trick. You guys try adding some distortion. You can use any plugin, any distortion plugin, but I chose this one. Plain and simple, you guys. So remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out. Well, I ain't out. I'm still in here with my dog.